Today we will learn Chinese characters.
出
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
出吃乌出出出发出发我们准备出发我们准备出发出口出口这就是路的出口这就是路的出口日出日出爬到山顶看日出爬到山顶看日出
Next, let's look at how to write the character. The character we are learning today means to go from inside to outside, such as going out or leaving home. In Chinese culture, it also means to appear, to set off, and to develop outward. Take a close look. The middle stroke is longer, so it should be written right in the center. Please note that this part is written in one single stroke. Pay special attention here. See you next class. That's all for today.